Javier Ranjan Chaudhary.
Sir, actually I was under the impression that today banking regulation ordinance will be taken up. Okay. Suddenly it has come up.
Anyhow, GST.
Jaitley ji, I am very much in agreement with you that the entire country should be integrated into the national tax regime. There is no doubt of it. But you have to ponder over it that why your government is frequently taking recourse to the ordinance route. Today, the entire legislative business is fraught with ordinance and ordinance. Banking regulation, GST, IGST, Chandigarh. So today, the day can be recognized in the history of Parliament that the day of ordinance. I think Jaitley ji has been oscillating between ordinance and ordinance. Yes, you are the proponents of NDA governments for a new idea. Every time you used to plead for new idea. And earlier you were busy in attacking scathingly to the UPA government as a government of policy paralysis and tax terrorism. But now, what I feel that your government is undergoing policy dialysis coupled with spasmodic catharsis leading to economic stasis. That is why you are always taking recourse to ordinance. Yes, there is a provision in our constitution that under Article 1 to 3, you may resort to ordinance route. But it is not at all flattering. Because when we are living in a democracy, when we are having the access to Parliament, we should not frequently resort to ordinance. Here lies the problem that you have failed to impress upon the state government of Jammu and Kashmir to be incorporated in the national tax regime which started rolling out from 1st July with an ostentatious celebration. But before that, the heaven of India, that is called Kashmir, has not been incorporated in your dream project. What you are talking about, one nation, one tax. However, I beg to differ with you that in spite of all kinds of brouhahas, it cannot be called one tax, one nation. The fact remains that nearly 50% of our GDP still remains out of the ambit of GST. So that is why I beg to differ a little with you. Jaitley ji, you are a legal luminary along with Ravi Shankar Prasad ji also. You must be aware that under the instrument of accession, Kashmir Valley was integrated to India, and the procedure for amendment of constitution, of state constitution, has been clearly elaborated that the provision of Article 368 of the Constitution of India are not applicable for the amendment of the state constitution of Jammu and Kashmir. While an act of parliament is required for the amendment of any of the provision of Constitution of India, the provision of the state constitution of Jammu and Kashmir, except in those relating to the relationship of the state with the Union of India, may be amended by an act of the Legislative Assembly of the state passed by a majority of not less than 2/3 of its membership. But if such amendment seeks to affect the governor of the election commission, it shall have no effect unless the law is reserved for the consideration of the president and receives his assent. It is also to be noted that no amendment to the Constitution of India shall extend to Jammu and Kashmir unless it is extended by an order of the President under Article 371. So rightly,
banking.
your government has followed it in the Jammu and Kashmir. But given the sensitivity of the Jammu and Kashmir region, I think you should have been better prepared yourself before introducing the tax regime, because the fact is that कुछ नहीं हुआ, ये होने वाला है। काल जैसे जेटली साहब कहते थे कि वो नोटबंदी के चलते सारे कश्मीर में जो टेररिज्म खत्म हो गया। पहले आप कहते थे कि नोटबंदी के चलते टेररिज्म खत्म होगी, नक्सलिज्म खत्म होगी, करप्शन खत्म होगी, लेकिन आज आप बोलने लगे हैं कि नोटबंदी के चलते पत्थरबाजी खत्म होगी। मतलब आपने रवैया बदल लिया। कल आपने कहा था, लेकिन जेटली साहब, मैं आपको सराहना करते हैं, लेकिन कश्मीर घाटी में आज जो हमारा सिक्योरिटी फोर्सेस, जिसको सराहना होना चाहिए, जिसकी काबिलियत पर आज कश्मीर घाटी में हम लोग हिंदुस्तान की फ्लैग को फहरा रहे हैं, और सिक्योरिटी फोर्सेस के बारे में आपने कुछ नहीं कहा। यस, द demonetization certainly has an adverse effect on the terrorist activities, but it is yet to be ascertained in view of its efficacy, क्योंकि जो सिक्योरिटी कैजुअलिटीज है वो कश्मीर घाटी में जो हो रहा है वो हमारे लिए अच्छा नहीं। मैं अपना फौज के लिए, हमारा सिक्योरिटी पर्सनल के लिए मैं गर्व अनुभव करता हूं, और आज जो कश्मीर घाटी में जिस तरीके की टेररिस्ट के खिलाफ एक के बाद एक हमारा अचीवमेंट हासिल होते हैं, इसके पीछे हमारे बहादुर जो जवान वहां तैनात किए गए हैं, हम सब उन सबको आभारी है।
Right, sir.
सर, मैं इसलिए कह रहा हूं कि ये जो कश्मीर है, कश्मीर घाटी की लोगों को एक आइडेंटिटी का क्राइसिस है। उनकी मन में ये शंका होते हैं कि ये जीएसटी और सीजीएसटी के चलते उनका जो स्पेशल स्टेटस है अंडर 370, ये स्पेशल स्टेटस को कोई हानि ना पहुंचे, ये आपको क्लैरिफाई करना चाहिए। उनका अपना जो फिस्कल ऑटोनॉमी है अंडर सेक्शन 5, उनका जो टैक्स लेवी करने की अलग से अथॉरिटी है अंडर सेक्शन 12, ये सारे सेक्शन को वो सोचते हैं कि हमारा हाथ से निकल जा रहे हैं और अगले दिन हमें दिक्कत का सामना करना पड़ेगा। क्योंकि आप जानते हैं कि हिंदुस्तान में से जम्मू एंड कश्मीर एक स्टेट है जहां सर्विस टैक्स और गुड्स टैक्स दोनों ये सरकार, सूबों की सरकार लेवी कर सकते। हिंदुस्तान के दूसरे राज्यों में यह सुविधा, जैसे कि सर्विस टैक्स की सुविधा, कोई स्टेट गवर्नमेंट की नहीं है जो कश्मीर घाटी में है। तो उन लोग का ये एप्रीहेंशन है कि ये 370 की स्पेशल स्टेटस और फिस्कल ऑटोनॉमी ये खत्म हो जाएगी। तो यू शुड स्ट्राइव हार्ड टू एलिज द एप्रीहेंशन of the common people, because you know that when the issue was raised in the Jammu and Kashmir, there was a severe agitation, and your government, I mean your government, your allied partner, the government is run by you and PDP. They had resorted a repressive measures to muzzle the voices of the common people.
Right.
Therefore, you should strive hard to allay the apprehension, to allay the fears that the special status, the fiscal autonomy and other facilities that are enjoyed by the valley people never could be compromised. Sir, in this sir हो गया. Sir, being a member of the parliament, we act as like a conveyor belt. So the apprehension, the misgivings of the common people needs to be conveyed to the concerned authority. आदरणीय अध्यक्ष महोदय.
Right.
Okay.
Sir, next to that.
Sir, okay, just last word. आपका आभार जेटली जी, तो मैं ये आपसे मांगूंगा कि आप इस विषय पे ध्यान दें और जम्मू कश्मीर घाटी के लोगों को मन में ऐसा कोई शंका ना हो। ये शंका का दूर करने के लिए आप जो पहल करना चाहिए कीजिए। द हिस्ट्री ऑफ द वर्ल्ड, सर, जस्ट इन द हिस्ट्री ऑफ द वर्ल्ड द मनी हैज रिप्लेस्ड पीपल इन वन ऑफ द टू वेज। In the history of the world, money has suppressed people in the one of the two ways. Either it is abundant but unreliable.
Okay.
On the other hand, it is reliable but scarce.